In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does celery juice help with weight loss and inflammation? The health industry is full of potions and miracles to help melt belly fat. A new contender in the weight loss and inflammation market is celery juice, but does it work? Celery contains an impressive amount of vitamin C and K, as well as folate and potassium. Celery also contains flavonoids, that's powerful phytonutrients with antioxidant properties that are abundant on numerous plants. With only 7 calories and half a gram of fiber and less than 1 gram of sugar per rib, celery can also be a smart addition to any weight loss plan. So if celery can help shed pounds and fight disease, as studies show, then the juice should too. However, things change a bit when the juice of the celery is extracted. First, everything but the fiber which goes away becomes concentrated. That's really important, as the fiber is one of the reasons why celery helps with weight loss in the first place. Fiber makes you fuller longer and also contributes to good gut health as well. Any sugar that is found in celery will also be concentrated, so even though the total amount is low, the sugar content will increase slightly. On average, an 8-ounce serving of celery juice will cost you about 70 calories and 11 grams of sugar. That's just if you get a juice option that is only celery, which is actually not easy to find because the juice itself is quite bitter. Most of the popular options are mixed with other juices to make it more palatable, which will cost you a lot more in calories and sugar. In fact, some juices will add in other vitamins, minerals or herbs to their mix for extra detoxifying magic. However, there's little evidence to back it up that it's the miracle weight loss ingredients that some YouTubers are claiming. It's much better to stick to eating celery as stalks with other fruits and vegetables rather than take juices, pills and powders to try and enhance the benefits. So to conclude, celery definitely does have some weight loss benefits, and these include celery is known as a negative calorie vegetable as it contains very few calories. Celery helps to promote bowel movement and can speed up the digestion process. It has over a 90% water content, so this is a natural diuretic, and it performs great as a toxin cleanser. So juicing celery along with a whole foods approach that incorporates plenty of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains and lean sources of protein is the way forward. Drinking a glass of celery juice first thing in the morning with as much fibre incorporated in the drink as possible is definitely better than drinking a strong coffee or a soda beverage. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the benefits of celery juice for weight loss, and if you have, please give this video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the amazing health benefits of celery. Thanks for watching and bye for now.